In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Hand Simulator in VR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Hand Simulator features a VR mode. Setting it up is super simple, so as long as you are playing the game through Steam, you will be able to enable and use this mode. So, as you can see, according to the Steam page, Hand Simulator has VR support. So, when you run the game through Steam, if you have a VR headset properly connected and set up on your PC, it is going to be used without any issues. So, setting it up is easy. All that you have to do, like I said, is to ensure that your headset is connected to your PC. In this example, I have a Meta Quest 3, but of course, literally any other compatible VR headset will work. There are various different connection methods, but for this particular one, you can do it through Airlink or a cable. So just choose the method. You can use the MetaQuest Link app to keep track of the status, and once it is properly set up, just launch the game through Steam, and on the launch options, you will be able to find Hand Simulator VR. If you don't see them, you will have to go into the properties of the game to display it there. And as soon as you launch the game with virtual reality mode enabled, you will be able to control your camera in a VR environment. So you will have your hands that you can control using the controllers, but if they don't work, then it is going to be standard keyboard and mouse with only the view being in virtual reality. But as long as you run the game with the headset connected, it is going to be set up immediately for you. Easy to do, and it has full support, so you don't need to download any additional mods or applications. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.